Ja, eine Stunde. 17 Uhr werde ich gelegen. Ja, wo ich vorbei bin, das muss ganz.
Yo!
The driver behind reacted quickly and braked just in time to avoid crashing into the container truck. A powerful 7.2 earthquake struck Taiwan, triggering a massive landslide that sent tons of earth sliding down the mountain. Walking across that bridge was reckless. No amount of bravery is worth risking your life like that. A gigantic landslide hit Arunachal Pradesh, India, but fortunately there were no casualties. This time, nature's fury spared lives. Raging waters swept through New Mexico, destroying everything in their path and carrying houses downstream.
Man, when that whole thing goes, oh, here we go. Oh. Holy shit!
The shape of the tornado looked like a portal straight out of a science fiction movie.
Oh, my son.
Hurricane Fiona's waters knocked down a steel bridge in Puerto Rico. Neither iron nor steel can withstand the force of nature. What would you do if your house suddenly started floating down the river? In Vietnam, one by one, houses slid into the river as the ground gave way. Imagine watching your home disappear like that. Huge rocks tumbled down the mountain during the 7.3 earthquake in Taiwan, turning a busy road into a disaster movie scene. Precision, skill, and daring flights. An incredible air show. What's the most impressive one you've ever seen? Can anyone explain how that bus ended up pointing straight at the sky? Bad luck or bad driving?
यहाँ ब्रेक नलागेर दुर्घटना भएको छ।
Luck smiled on a car driving between a cliff and a river, just as the cliff suddenly gave way. The road in Myanmar split into hundreds of pieces after a major earthquake and landslide. The damage was catastrophic. A mysterious UFO-shaped cloud surprised onlookers over Bursa, Turkey, sparking curiosity and speculation. What kind of phenomenon could it be?
Lá pra de cobra da feira.
Kaikki.
One of the craziest hailstorms ever recorded hit Arkansas, USA. Baseball-sized hailstones smashed everything in their path. Never go outside during a storm like that. A paraglider got caught in a sudden tornado, violently spinning his parachute. Luckily, he wasn't injured. A powerful tornado struck Brno, Czech Republic, leaving devastating destruction behind. Trees bent as if bowing to their master.
我多拍点区里去吧，我看。
A terrifying encounter. A great white shark rammed a diver's cage, giving him the scare of his life. Would you dare try it? In New York, a crane over 40 stories tall collapsed after catching fire. A real-life disaster movie unfolding in seconds. Only in China, a spectacular drone show lit up the sky in perfect synchronization, like a digital invasion. Fun but dangerous, waves up to 8 feet high slammed into the pier, turning it into a roller coaster. In Darvaza, Turkmenistan, a massive pit known as the Door to Hell has been burning for more than 40 years.
Olha pra mãe não vir.
For those who don't know, this is the eye of the storm, enormous clouds stacking and swirling in a hypnotic motion. Strong winds battered Snook, Texas, and yes, it looks like someone is cleaning their porch with a hurricane.
Hún hlýtur að hafa verið keypt í matvöruverslun þessi. Þetta hafðist af okkur.
People remained calm as the waters rose, overflowing from the drain with terrifying speed and force.
Olha aí. O pessoal lá correndo.
A total solar eclipse revealed the stunning diamond ring effect. A truly rare sight. Have you ever seen it? A tornado touched down in Colorado, breathtaking and terrifying at the same time. Another destructive twister struck northeast of Bennett, Colorado. In Portugal, a fire devil appeared during a wildfire, a swirling vortex of flames spinning in the night sky. And above the horizon, a surreal sight, 3 suns shining in the same sky. What kind of atmospheric illusion could create that? We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Wow.